I'm going to show you how to easily send an email newsletter through your CRM in 5 minutes or less. So first and foremost, when you go into the members portal, select the theme or the style that works best with your brand so you stay consistent across all style or all mediums. So I am going to choose script, and when I go in here, you have two options. So you have a quick send option. So if your CRM allows you to put a footer in with all of your information so that you don't have to update it monthly, we have this, so you can just download it and put it in as a JPEG. I am going to show you how to edit your information using our standard style. So when I go in here, I'm going to go into Canva and choose use template, and it'll bring you here. So we highly recommend using this option so that you can update your information. Easily done. If you do it once, you can always copy and paste it into the next newsletter because your templates always stay in your Canva account. So I'm going to upload my headshot. So I'm just going to go into uploads, upload a file, whatever that may be. And then all I do is just swipe it and stick it in there. Now, if you pay for the $12.99 a month version, you can do this really cool thing where you remove the background. So you're going to select the photo, choose edit image up here in the top left, and you will find the background remover option. So this is wonderful for anything that you're going to do. If you're putting your logo on all of your social posts, I highly recommend upgrading to the $12.99 a month so that you can remove your background. So if I wanted to resize where I am in here, I can always do that as well. Change your name. Make sure that if you have a logo, you put it here, you update your contact information, and then we always recommend putting your handles here as well, even though you can typically add that in a footer on your CRM. So recommend doing both just so that you have them. Now, if you have already done this and for the following months, all you have to do is go into a past newsletter. You can just copy. Now I'm going to take this over here, and if I haven't done this yet, I'm just going to select all. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to paste that other one, and I'm going to bring it right down here, and I'm going to resize it just a tad so that it fits, and now I'm done. Easy as that, moving forward. So you don't have to edit the newsletter every single month from scratch. Now, in order to share it, I'm going to go to the share button, hit download. We always recommend doing a JPEG. If you have the updated or upgraded version, you can upgrade the quality. It's still going to be great regardless. And then I'm just going to download the second page because that's all I need. So I'm going to download that. And in the meantime, I'm going to go to MailChimp. And then once it allows me to go in, I am going to go up here to create. And it'll allow me to create a regular email. And any of your CRMs will work. This will work typically by just inputting it as a JPEG. So before I do any of the form or the from, the subject, one thing I recommend with the subject is don't ever just put the subject line as November newsletter, October newsletter. No one is going to open it. You have to have a good call to action that people are going to want to open. So trendy fall design or design trends, shifting design trends is something that you could use for this month. Just make sure that it grabs people's attention and makes them want to open it. I'm going to go in here to design email. I always recommend just going to like a standard email template. I always go in here and just delete them, like the blocks that I don't need. All you are going to need is one image block. That is it, unless you want to split it up and add just listeds. Sometimes people will put the image block here and then maybe do like just listed photo of their listing here and here with like the details on that so that you don't have to edit the actual template that we just went through. You can use this And then that would be a good option if you wanted to use the quick send guide so that there isn't any footer. So you just use this and then put your just listed. And then if you have some sort of, contact information at the bottom, see how you can edit these so that you can put your Facebook page in, your Instagram page, your website. If you have a Twitter, always allow people to opt out in this area. If you don't want your mailing address on there, you can just delete that and make sure that it just has the unsubscribe button. But what we do is we go in here. We are going to choose replace. There's usually a replace button somewhere. I'm going to upload that image that I just downloaded. Should allow you to upload it pretty quickly. For some reason, my Wi-Fi is not working all too well. Well, I did this, I already sent this out. So here, I'll just click on the one that I already uploaded and insert it. And there you can see it is all here. Now I added my own footer at the bottom in this case, but you can see it'll show up just like that. And then all you have to do is hit continue, make sure that all of the information about the people that you're setting it to is correct, the name, how you want it to show up, and then the subject that has the call to action. And it is as easy as that.